The phone do no justice, man. Let's go. Friday and the truck knows it. Boy, the truck knows it. Okay, this is what's gonna happen now. Like I'm gonna do the inside now, so stay tuned for the rest. I want to take some pictures, bro. When he sees his bed, my dude, like I painted his whole freaking bed. I gotta touch up that little spot right there. It was like brownish, like you know how when that black, even though you clean it, you put soap on it, you scrub it down a little bit, but it seems always to turn like not to that original black that is like nice, fresh, laid down, So it turned like brownish. So I went and I matted black all of it again, all of the bed, all of it. I want to touch up some little spots right there, like over there and right there. So I'm out, bro. I gotta still do the interior, do the windows and stuff like that. So I just wanted to show you guys how the race truck came out. So I think that thing looked freaking amazing, man. Look at it, boy, like shit fire. Man, let me see right there. If you want, let me see. There it is. There it is. All right, man. I'm out, bro. Just stay tuned.